and welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a little bit of a different type of video. Today I am redoing my table. Now if you watch my videos, you know that just a couple videos ago I redid my whole table in gold, Gallerie inspired, okay? Now I want to do it in silver and white, but I don't have a lot of money. I only had like 25 bucks to spend, okay? So I'm going to show you right now the only items that I bought today, and so we'll start right here, okay? These I bought at Hobby Lobby. These are some beads. They were like $3.99, okay? Bought those. And then I bought this garland. This is $10 in the wedding aisle of Hobby Lobby. And I got it, you know, for 40% off. So I was like, what, 5 bucks? I also bought these beautiful gemstones. These are $5.99 at Hobby Lobby. And they're self-adhesive. And then I went to this place that I've heard of on YouTube before. And it's called the Gold Dollar, okay? And I was there one time before and I saw these plates and fell in love. Now they have these in gold and silver, but I didn't like their color of gold, so I got this one. And I also bought some fake jewelry. I thought, these are so pretty bracelets, beautiful bracelets. I bought some brooches, and later on you'll know what I'm doing with them, but that is it. That is all I purchased today, but I am going to redo this table fabulous by using old items that I already have. Just wait and see. And it's just things that I grabbed from the house and things that I already had. So what I'm going to do at the end of this video is list every single thing that I used for this video, in case you see something that I already had that you might want to buy, and then I'll tell you exactly where I got them, okay? So with that being said, this is going to be a whole table setup redo. So let me get this stuff out of the way and let's get started. Now, this is the vase I did in my last video, and I took off the beads because I wanted to try it in a different way with these beads. First thing I think I should do is just go ahead and spray paint this. Okay, so now that it's dry, we're going to go ahead and start the process, and let's cross our fingers and hope that it works. Okay, I'm going to tip this over and let's see if it works at all. If it doesn't, we'll go to plan B. See if this works. This doesn't feel secure to me. Maybe I should add extra spray. projects are small, so this is what I wanted. I wanted to redo this one because last time it was all wrapped in gold. So I just used the same one and I took it off. I'm going to use this. I'm going to do a very simple edging. So all you're going to do is go right under the very tip where you see the edge, and this is self-adhesive to the point it will never come off. You never have to worry about this coming off. It's extremely strong. So simple to do. You just wrap it around where you want it, and then you just cut the edge, and it will, and it's very stretchy too. So just say, for instance, if you cut it too short, it will stretch to size. It's pretty cool. So now that after I've completed this, the top, I'm just going to put this just right in the middle. This is the same emblem thing that I used on the previous table setup, and I just took it off and I'm going to reuse it. I purchased this at Hobby Lobby, and it's they're beautiful. They have all different sorts of these at Hobby Lobby that you can get, and I just love them. And you know, you can reuse them and reuse them. They stay pretty brilliant. I'm just going to put that in the middle. Let's give it some bling. And keep it simple, okay? And that's about it, what I'm going to do for that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I wanted to do with this. Now, these were so beautiful I couldn't decide which one to get. This one's gold and this one's silver. They're both gorgeous. But I guess since I'm doing this, I'm going to go ahead and do this. Now this is going to be the napkin ring. And see, you don't have to spend all kinds of money for the napkin ring when you could just simply buy some cheap jewelry. And I mean, these were $1 a piece at the Gold Dollar. And you got yourself a high glittering, you know, really nice item. So with this, I was thinking, I noticed that Gallerie brooches are very like gathered. Some of them extend out, and I was thinking, it's when I bought these, that maybe I could glue these coming out, because that's what it reminds me of. Gallerie works. Start setting up the table, and you will see it in a few minutes. Okay, so here you can see that it doesn't take you spending hundreds and thousands of dollars to make your table look glamorous like Gallerie. Now everything on this table basically is from a dollar store or an extremely inexpensive store. The only thing I believe on this table that is from Gallerie is this actual flower. I think that's the only thing on this whole table that is from Gallerie. But so I'll tell you where I got everything. Okay, this I actually got this at Walmart. Okay, and I spray painted it white. It was gold. This I got from the Gold Dollar. The bowl in this came from the 99-cent store. As you know, I made this. You see how beautiful and blingy that came out. The rhinestones, and that came, I love it. So this, you know, the brooch and that came from the Gold Dollar. This came from Hobby Lobby right here. The glasses, all the glasses came from the Dollar Tree, as well as those glasses included. This candle holder, the 99-cent store. This vase actually came from Walmart. And these are 2 mirrors that I pushed together that are from the 99-cent store as well. So as you can see, pretty much every single item on this table is $1, or probably the most spent was actually this, I think, was the most expensive thing in this room. Even that flower I got on clearance for like $2. So everything here is extremely inexpensive, but you see, with just a little imagination and just a few bucks, and this is what you can end up with. It looks extremely beautiful, and you know, I didn't have to spend all kinds of money. I just basically, you know, grab stuff from my house and just use my imagination. So I hope this video has helped you, and have a wonderful day, and you'll see me again. Okay, bye-bye.